Hey guys, so two more trades tonight in the US session. So the first one you see here, US Canada. So well, actually I was thinking that it will be a entry here, right? So I actually put my buy here, and I had this line. This is yesterday's high, right? So this blue line is yesterday's high, and you can see actually it became a kind of the pivot, the pivot for today. So anyway, that's why I put my stop here. So actually the entry is not as I like it that much. I'm actually gonna just move it here. This trade, let's see whether I probably get stopped, but it's okay. I'll next go to the another pound dollar trade that I did tonight. Be back. And here's the pound dollar trade. So this one is a straightforward ICT trade. You see the move down here and then the retracement, and I take the trade right here at the sweet spot. So let me just zoom in a little bit. So why did I choose this swing? I always try to choose a swing where you get a sudden nice movement, and then you also want a nice movement back up, right? So usually you'll see a nice movement back up. In between here it was not very nice today. Sometimes you just get it down and go up, but it's okay to have some chop here as long as the movement up back to the entry point is nice and smooth without too much retracement or chops. So I actually put my sell here. I had the sell stop here, and it hit and nicely went down. I put my stop over here. In this case I actually had two positions, and when the price reached down here I took off one position because of I know there'll be some issues getting below here, and now as you can see you will have some issues getting down here, but I have already taken one position and my stops is well, there's no restrict at the moment. So we'll get back after later and see how it is. Right. Okay, I'm back. So this is the pound USD. As you see, price have gone down pretty nice, right, to this extension over here. Initially I already closed one position. I moved my stop, and now I'm gonna close this pound USD trade. So well, that's it for today for this one. Well, it does look like it can still move down, but well, I've reached this extension level, and I think that's good enough. Alright, so I've closed that. Let me go to the other trade. Let's see. So no lying here. I'm not hiding anything, right? So let's go in and tell you what I did. So initially we had a buy here, price went up here, so I closed this for a small profit, and I moved my stop that was down here to here, and so this one was the one that well, I think here you are. Yep, 10 cents. So I got stopped out when price came down. So while price was coming down this way and taking me out, I was looking at it. I was looking, hey, what do we have here? We have price going cleanly up, and then price coming cleanly down. So I quickly pulled up my fib, and then you see here I actually put a buy right at between this OTE and sweet spot. Basically you try to get a trade between the 62 and the 79. Price actually came down right down to the 79, but I got mine closer to the 62, so I actually put a buy limit here. Price came down and it went up, and then I went to take a shower. I moved my stop, and well, it's a it's a free trade now, and basically again I'm just trying to use the concept that when you see within the hours, whether it's the London session or the New York session, when you see suddenly price doing clean moves like this, well, according to ICT teachings, this is one of the pattern that you'll see. What you often will see is if you get one of these, you may get another one here. So if you miss the first one, you may get another opportunity here, right? So let's see. Of course, it may just take me out. If it doesn't take me out, let's see what we have. Whether or not we can show a live. Right. So basically, you had one chance here, and sometimes again you see a nice clean move up and a move down that is also fairly clean, and then you try to look for opportunity to buy over here. I mean between here and here, right? So for now this trade, well, I just took it when I saw price move this way. Hopefully I don't get taken out, and let's see, that's the end.